guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiko. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. On today's video, I'm joined by a beautiful lady, a friend of mine. So,
hello.
There she is. Introduce.
Hello guys, my name is Jaque Gachiri. I'm a mama Sifa. I'm a mama Kenya. I'm a mama Kenya. I have so many titles.
Yeah, her name is Jaque, and what do you do? Acha kutuambia ifanye.
Welcome to Shiko's channel. Hallelujah. Welcome to Shiko's
channel. Oh my goodness. Jaque,
huwezi kucheza hivyo. Huwezi kucheza hivyo. Hiyo sasa ndio theme song ya hii channel. So itakuwa Make up by Shiko.
Oh, yes. Anyway, Jaque is a musician. Check out her YouTube channel. She has a YouTube channel, Jaque Gachiri. She has wonderful music. Yani, her voice. Hey, just go check her out. Anyway, today we are going to be doing a challenge. So, Isema challenge, because she's the one who came up with this idea and I loved it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So, because most of the things I know about makeup, I got them from Shiko's channel, like the eyebrows, the nini. So, nilikuwa amateur, but siku hizi naweza kidogo, thanks to her. So, nikasema, what if we do this? Afanye a makeup look, and then, guess what? I try to reciprocate.
The whole look.
Tuone venye ninaweza, lakini Shiko najua hatafanya look ngumu. Msinichekele, mtu akinichekelea kwa comment na kutafuta kwenu.
No, unajua lazima tufanye kitu. Juni challenge, you must do something challenging.
Yeah, by the it's true.
Haiwezi kuwa the simple thing.
It's true.
I don't have the look in mind yet, but
you will have it as you go.
Nikishika brushes. Tunaenda tukiendanga, so I hope you catch up.
Please, Shiko, please usinifanye like kitendo nitoke kama mwarubaini ama cactus.
So we are just going to get into the video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to Jaque's channel,
Jaque Gachiri. Yes.
I'm gonna leave her link down below so that you can check her out. Yeah, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna start with my primer. This is a legal prep and prime. Nowadays I love starting with my face makeup rather than starting with my eye makeup. I don't know why, but I just find nikifanya hivyo my eyebrows look more natural and it kills time. Nikianza na eyebrows na nikianza na eye makeup, I'll just take forever to do my makeup. So I am starting with that. So Jaque is just behind the camera watching what I'm doing, and then after I'm done, yeye ndo anaketi hapa. She tries to reciprocate what I did, and we'll see kama ataiweza. Anyway, that's it with the primer. So next I'm doing my foundation. I'm starting by wetting my sponge so that I can use it to blend the foundation. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 350. So I'm applying my foundation with my damp sponge. So I'll be very keen to see how Jaque does her foundation. Anashtuka tu hapa nyuma. So when I'm applying my foundation, I love working section by section. Kwanza na blend side moja, and then instead of blend all over, I find that hivi inakuanga more effective for me. So next I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm using this Legal concealer in the shade Fawn. So Jaque anashtuka, anashanga if hiyo time yote nimetake kupaka foundation, how yangekuwa shamaliza uso yote. What does that tell you? How are her blending skills? We shall see in a moment. So I'm using the same sponge, the one that I used to blend my foundation, to blend the concealer as well. That makes it easier to blend through. It already has some of the foundation left and it makes blending so seamless. So to set that concealer, we are going to use Sacha buttercup powder. I'm gonna apply that powder in the same areas we applied the concealer to set it. Ndo isi crease. Next, I'm going to contour my face. I did not carry a contouring product, but we have eyeshadow and it gives us the same results as a contouring product. We're going to use this brown color here from, this is actually Jaque's eyeshadow palette. So, Hannah, excuse, we are using her products. So, when you do this, that is the area you contour. You can see how it's giving my face definition and bringing back warmth to my face, because ukipaka foundation you're like a round ball because it has evened out everything, but now when you contour inarudisha the natural darkness that are in some areas of your face. That's the importance of contouring. And also along your hairline, your forehead, upper jaw, you also contour there. It also helps to avoid having a mask sort of thing. And also I'm gonna do a bit of nose contour. It gives you a slimmer nose. Can you see Jaque? We are going to apply blush and highlighter using her eyeshadow palette as well. For blush, I'm gonna use this shade over here. For blush, you just smile and apply it on your cheeks. So right now we are going to highlight the face and we are going to use this shade over here. You can use this sort of a silver or goldy shade in your eyeshadow palette if you don't have a highlighter. Blending it nicely. Isikae ka line, it's supposed to be well blended. So instead of doing a line, unafanya hapa and then here. So I'm going to start with a very dark brown shade to achieve a smoky effect. So once you apply that color, you try to blend off kidogo with your brush and you make sure you have the intensity that you want. We are going to take this shade and use that on the crease.
Hey, guys, as you can see,
I'm doing her the favors of
kumpatilishia ndio nisichome juu nishasema yeye ndio my mentor kwa hizi story. So nikienda kukaa nini, anyway, lazima upatiane reason, so please start by, you know, combing the eyebrows. I've started with the eyebrows. Why? Because sijui your process ya the professional shiko ya kwanza na face alafu nakuja kwa eyebrows. So let me do the other way around. I'll start with the eyes, then I come to the face. All right?
We totally can. Do you?
So tunaenda kwa eyeshadow. Okay, all right? So lipstick, red lip coming through. And for the final look, lazima uedit na slow motion. Haha. Voila.
So guys, we are finally done. So Jaque kuja tuone, and we are going to see if I love it. I love it. I don't know about you, but what's the difference? And then see he red lip in a pop. Karibia hapa, karibia screen tuone.
Okay.
Yeah. So you guys are gonna tell us in comment section. Please rate her out of 10. Let's know how she did.
Please be merciful. You made me the student too, please.
Yeah, but I think you've done pretty well. Unakaa poa. And then do you guys think we look alike? Because tunashinanga tukiambiwa tunafanana. So tuambie pia kwa comment section if you think we look alike. Leo sioni. Sometimes I do see, but leo sioni. I don't know.
Maybe.
But maybe.
Yeah. Comment down below.
Comment down below. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm gonna put a list of all the products that we used in the description box. So yes, see you on the next video. Bye.